If you're looking for the best guitar amp for beginners under $150, the Fender Champion 20 is for you. This video will clear up the confusion around looking for an amp to start off with, and we'll give you 3 good reasons the Fender Champion 20 is an excellent choice. Hey, I'm Derek at 5 Minute Music, and I have over 25 years experience playing the electric guitar, recording amps, and training students how to use their amps. So I'm excited to help you get an amp. So let's get started. So the first reason the Fender Champion 20 is the best guitar amp for beginners under $150 is that it has a great range of tones and effects that it can do. So you have 4 main flavors, if you will, of tones. You've got Tweed amps, Blackface, British, and metal. Well, inside each one of those 4 categories, you have 3 different types to choose from. So that's 12 in all. So that's a great variety of sounds. Well, the second reason is that this amp is easy to use. I mean, it's really straightforward. You don't have to plug in USB. There's no apps, nothing. It's just standalone, and you use these right here, and you dial in your sound, and it's all clearly marked. I mean, you've got your gain and your volume and your voice. That's the different types of amps. The treble, the bass, that's your EQ, and then the level of your effects, and then selecting your effects. I mean, it's really straightforward. So if you're just starting out, millions of options or apps or plugins or different configurations can be very confusing. An amp that is straightforward, that delivers great tones, and that's easy to access is the way to go. So I highly recommend this amp. The third reason it's such a great amp is the price. We're looking for a good amp for beginners under $150. And in that price range, the Fender Champion 20 is $129.99 plus tax wherever you are. So, I mean, you're talking about $135, $140. You've got this amp, and it's such a great value. Below in the description, if you're interested, just click where it says buy now, and you can look at the options there. So I think, though, the best proof for this amp is actually getting to listen to it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to demo 3 sounds for you. I'm going to do a clean sound, a more crunchy sound, and a metal sound. And I'll give you the settings down in the description below, because I believe hearing is believing. So I'm going to play this amp for you. I'm going to demo this and see what you think. Here we go. So after hearing that, if you're saying, I'm convinced this is the amp for me, in the description section below, just click on buy now and you can get the amp there. But if you have more questions, if you're not convinced yet, in the comments below, the question of the day is, what feature would you like for me to review on the Fender Champion 20? Go ahead and drop your comment below and I can get you some more information on that. I'd love to answer your questions. Now, I did a video recently about how to work the gain versus the volume. If you're interested in learning how to work the gain versus the volume on the Fender Champion 20, just click right there. As always, thank you for your time. I would love for you to subscribe and hit the bell so you'll get the quickest updates for more gear reviews, especially on the Fender Champion 20. Just click there. Thank you for your time. God bless. Have a good day. Bye.